Hello, I'm Ichikan. Hey coders, welcome back to my Java series. Today video is super interesting because you're going to code with me and I will give you some very beginning level Java tasks and you have to solve them, and once I have tasks, pause the video and try it and then come back to see the correct answer. Don't worry if you get it wrong. Every mistake is a step closer to becoming a pro programmer. Okay, let's start our Java series. In before class, we have learned what are the operator, what are the things we'll do in operator. We have done with this example. See, this is a variable. This is your string, and this is your variable. This is your string. This is your variable, and this is your what is this? This is your variable. Okay, because it stores a number. Okay, let's see our Java series. Your task is your task level is this is the variable magic. This is the one of the interesting in this Java. See, listen. Variable magic means, for example, declare and resign print. How means declare a variable and assign its value. Declare a variable and assign it values. Change the value. You have to do assign the value, and the second thing is you have to change the value and you have to print both of them. You have to do these three things in a single task. For example, I will do my expected output should be, and this is my expected output. My ages are 2010 is 20, and you have to update this. My age is 2020 is 30. Okay, but you should not do because I'm making a variable. You have to give a variable age only. You have to do only one variable. Okay, you have to do only one variable. Okay, here you have to do reassigning method. Okay, pause the video and try to do this. If not, don't worry about it. Pause this video, and I hope you tried it. Okay, let's see the correct answer for this. Okay, I'm taking a variable age. It should be a number, so int. Don't think the number has only int. There are more things. Int is there, floor is there, double is there, and many of them thinking or double and floor are same. So there are more things there. Double is different and floor is different. In next video, I will explain what are double, what are the floor. Okay, let's do this task. Okay, I'm storing this age as initially as 20. Don't forget to give a semicolon. Okay, and the task is mentioned. You have to mention the both code. So now I'm writing system dot out dot print, open the parenthesis, my age at 2010 is, this is a string, plus you have to add age. Now close the parenthesis with the double quotes. Okay, with semicolon. Okay, after seeing this, your program will see this. I will take a variable as age and will store as a value as 20. After printing this statement will print as my age is 2010 as, plus your age will be 20. Now the second thing is you have to update. Now for example, if you have a box and you have named as age, okay, you have stored in the box as 20. That's fine. Now I need to store 30. What you should do, you have to remove this 20 and you have to store this as like same. You have to remove this 20 and you have to store this 30 again, the same box. How we can do this? You can do nothing. It is very simple. Just write age alone. Age is equal to 30. Okay, if you return int means it will take as a separate variable. Okay, so don't try to do this. Write only variable. So automatically the 20 will be removed and 30 will be stored in this variable. Okay. Now we have to write the statement. System dot out dot my age at 20 20, close this, and plus you have to age with semicolon. Now your age is updated. So now if you calling the age, it will print only 30. The 20 will be erased. So the age is now updated. Let's see what is your output. Your output will be first the program will take as a age as a variable and store as the 20, and the second statement will print this is a string will print my age at 2010. So my age is at 2010 will print, plus you have added the age, so it will be added 20. So your first statement is proved. After that, the second statement. Now I'm going to update this age is the 30, so now the 20 will be removed and 30 will store in this age. Okay, now the second statement will read, after seeing the ln the cursor will move to the second line, so your statement will print as my age is 2020. So my age is 2020 plus your age, what you have given is age 30, so we'll print as 30. So your second statement is also correct. So this is your task level. I hope you understand and pretty clear about it. And one of this very important, it is one of the variable magic in this Java. Okay. And this task is telling about shows the variable can change their value after creating, and many of them thinking that once the value is set out it can't be changed. That is wrong. You can change it, and you can update its value. Okay. Okay, let's see our task at 12 is you have to print int to float. For example, okay, you know what is int? Int means like any other number, for example, 20, 30, etc. Without a decimal. Without decimal, that is a print. Float means it have a decimal point, for example any other thing, for 1 to any other thing. And don't think many of them thinking 12 and then 12.0 both are same, but no, in programming any other programming language this 12 and 12.0 not same, because this is integer and this is float. Okay, and now I'm going to print integer to float. This is one of the convention in by this program. You are understanding a typecasting. Typecasting means converting a one data type to another data type. For example, this is the int is the one data type and float is another data type. You are converting, you are casting. So converting one data type to another data type will called as a casting. Okay, my expected output should be, and this is my output should be, my first number is 10 and second number is 10.0. So you are converting int to float. Pause this video and try to do this. Okay, let's see how it is happening, and I hope you have done it well. Okay, let's see the correct program. In this, I'm taking a variable that is a num, and I'm storing a what? I'm storing a value that is 10. So first I'm converting int to, so I'm storing a 10. 10 is a int. Okay, how I'm going to convert this int to float? Let's first print this. System dot out dot print, because the second line moving, so I'm writing ln open the parenthesis with double quotes, the first num is, plus you have to write only a variable that is a num. Okay, and close the parenthesis with semicolons. Okay, now you have to convert this integer to float. How you can do this? By using a casting. How are you going to use the casting? Again, print this system dot out dot print the second num is. See, listen, this is the int. What I need to change? Float. I need to change to float. So you are converting int to float. So you have to write here with parenthesis float, and you have to write what you have given a variable, that is a num, and close the parenthesis and give a semicolon. See, listen, what is happening now? Now in this statement, the system dot out, the second number is will print, this is a float. So the variable the number stored was 10. Okay, this stored as 10, but it need to change as a float. So here we'll have a casting. Sure, here, so your expected output should be first system.out.print ln. So it will move after printing the statement, will move to the second line. So it is just a string. So the first num is num, what I have stored in this variable as 10. So your first statement is correct. After that, the cursor will move to the second line. So now system.out.print, after printing this string, will check this. The number stored as variable as integer. Now I'm going to casting as float. So it will change as 10.1, and don't think that is 10 is equal to 10.0, because this is one of the data type and this is one of the data types, so both are different. Okay, I hope you understand how to casting. Okay, seeing the same number in two different types helps you understand the data type better. Okay, that's all. You have learned how to casting, and we have learned two great thing. What is this variable magic and casting? Okay, that's it. How many get you did right? If you get stuck, no worries. Take notes and try again. Remember, real program are not those who never fail, but those who never give up. Like the video, comment your score below, and subscribe if you are ready to learn Java like a pro. Let's signing off, Ichikan. Shin Shin.